talked a while about what we know. More than break the ice, we melt the snow. Cool, calm and collected. You rush right in to fade away. You leave though I asked you to stay. I asked you to stay. What little time we spent together has me thinking how glad I am I didn't miss this rendezvous. I stare into you, you stare right through, and it seems like we're on both sides of time, but you smile. Your fickle gaze from Sundays to Saturdays. Your eyes, they prey on my fragile state of mind. But oh, your teeth, they can't get enough of me. When you smile at me, we bridge the sea in between. We climbed the chemistry we forged, but at the top you seem so bored. Cool, calm and collected. The time I spent in sacrifice just proved that you're as cold as ice. You're as cold as ice. What little time we spent together has me thinking how glad I am I didn't miss this rendezvous.